Children, we are learning The Merchant of Venice, Act 4, Scene 1. We are in the court, and in the court, Shylock, Antonio, Portia, Bassanio, Duke, and Graciano had their conversation, and we learnt and we understood that. And in this part, we learned that Portia's speech, a special speech on mercy, and she was insisting and indirectly telling Shylock to show mercy to Antonio. But he was not willing to do so. And when she was encouraging both of them, she said that as per the bond, the Jew, Shylock should have his forfeiture. That means Antonio should pay 1 pound of flesh to him. So Shylock was so happy to hear this judgment, and he was comparing Portia to Daniel, who was known for his judgment. And when Shylock was told that you can have that bond, he was so happy. After that, Portia was coming to know that they are ready to pay thrice the amount to Shylock. Then Portia telling Shylock to get the money and be merciful to Antonio. Be merciful, take thrice thy money. But Shylock says, why I should show mercy? I am here to listen the judgment. I stay here on my bond. Hearing all this conversation and the stubborn answers of Shylock, Antonio says, there we continue today. Antonio, most heartily I do beseech the court to give the judgment. He says, with all my heart I request, beseech means request, the court to give the judgment. He is ready to accept his punishment, and he is ready to give 1 pound of flesh to Shylock. So Portia, why then thus it is? So why then so it is? You must prepare your bosom for his life. Okay, you are ready to give the accept the punishment, and you are ready to give 1 pound of flesh to your opponent, that is Shylock. Now you be ready, prepare your bosom to his knife, allow him to cut a pound of flesh. Again Shylock is so happy. Oh, noble judge, oh, excellent young man. So he is praising Portia. You are an excellent young man and you are a noble judge. Portia, for the intent and purpose of the law hath full relation to the penalty which here appeareth due upon the bond. So she is giving the explanation for the meaning and scope of the law. So according to the law and the meaning, and the penalty is fully accepted, and it is according to the bond agreement, it is accepted. So he is again so happy. It is very true. Oh, wise and upright judge. So he is praising Portia again. It's very true. Oh, wise and upright judge. And how much more elder art thou than thy looks. Here he is extremely praising Portia. What he says, you are a young judge, he said first. Again he says that You're looking so young. Even then, your judgment is very correct. That means you are a wise judge. Above your look, your action is like an elder. So, how much older you are than you appear? You are appearing very young, but your wisdom is greater than that, like an old man. So, he was so happy and he was praising Portia. And Portia, therefore, lay bare your bosom. Again, she is telling Antonio to open the bosom for Shylock's knife. Shylock, yes, his breast. So says the bond. Doth it not, noble judge? He is so happy. He is repeating the word noble judge and also repeating the word which he has mentioned in his bond. He says his breast bosom. It is said in the bond and nearest his heart. Those are the very words according to the bond. So he is insisting the word and his malice thought is clearly revealing here. You can feel that. He wants to cut the muscle flesh part near the heart so that he can leave the earth immediately. Portia, it is so. Are there balance here to weigh the flesh? So Portia is coolly talking to Shylock. She says that, yes, it's true. In the bond it is written near the bosom, that is near his heart. Yes, you are allowed to take the flesh near the heart. Okay, do you have the balance? That means to measure the pound of flesh which you are going to cut. Do you have brought the balance with you? Shylock was very much prepared to cut the flesh from Antonio's bosom, so he has readily brought the balance there. So, what he says, I have them ready. It's there, it's ready with me. Portia, have by some surgeon, Shylock, on your charge to stop his wounds, lest he do bleed to death. Coolly, very calmly, Portia says that it's okay, you have brought the balance. Now, let me ask you one more thing. Call the surgeon inside. You have brought the balance with you. Now call the surgeon, the person doctor who cut the flesh and put the stitches. No, they are called surgeon. So he has to stop the bleeding when you cut the flesh. So there is a need of a surgeon to do so. So when you cut his body, there will be a wound, and that wound should be stitched, and that can be done by only the surgeon. So call him in so that he cannot bleed to death. If you just cut and leave him, then he will bleed and he will die. So to stop that danger, you must arrange for the surgeon. Where is he? Call him in. So Shylock, is it so nominated in the board? So his eyes are open now. It is not so mentioned in the bond. It's not so mentioned in the bond. It's not necessary. As it is not mentioned in the bond, why should I arrange for a surgeon? Portia, it is not so expressed, but what of that? It were good you do so much for charity. It is not so mentioned. It's okay, it's not mentioned. But what of that? Why you should mention it? It would be good if you do so much. That much if you do, that will be for a charity. So it's do Shaila she is telling that it's just a charity. It's a kindness of you to do so. Why don't you do it? So Shailak takes the bond from her. So immediately Shailak is taking the bond, and what he will say after looking into the bond, let's see it in the next class.